Alright, this morning I am trying to get this fuel station on the back of this toy hauler to work. It quit working a few months back in Quartzsite, and haven't been able to get it working. So let me show you what we're working with up under here, show you a few things that we got going. So here's our pump. It's the cover that I took off of it here in some areas. A lot of corrosion and sediment, these wheels here. So I'm gonna be taking these out of here, cleaning them up, maybe shaving them down a little bit. I haven't had a chance to be able to work on it yet, but today I did. The fuel station pumps the fuel from the handle so we can pump it into the generator to use it. It also is used to fill up our toys or our Jeep, and it not working has been quite the pain. So I went under there, I took the cover off. It's only 4 bolts to take the cover off. And I found the little wheels in here are rubbing the cover pretty hard. You can see where it's marked pretty well on the cover there. And it also was very dirty, had a lot of corrosion. So I've been just trying to clean it up, get all the corrosion and all this cleaned up, get my gasket good and clean. I also sanded down the wheels for the impeller. This is what drives the pump, and they were rubbing on here. I'm sanding them down on both sides just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it back together and see if it'll work. Best part about this, completely free. Well, besides cleaning materials and things, but I had most of this left over from other projects like the sandpaper and you always need cleaning rags for everything, right? So I took it apart. I took the cover off of it. I found it was very dirty and had been rubbing the cover pretty hard here. So I took the gears out and I sanded them down a little bit. Now I'm gonna put them back in there and put my bolts back in, and we'll see if it works. I really hope it does, because it makes it a whole lot more convenient on the road when you can refuel the Jeep or the Rhino, your toys. Also, we have 2 30-gallon tanks, one for the generator and the other one for toys. So when we run out of generator fuel, you should be able to pump over from your toy fuel tank into the generator tank. And we haven't been able to do that since our pump's out. So getting this fixed will be really nice and help us boondocking this summer. Okay, let me show you what we're working with in here. Got my tools there. This is what you're gonna be looking at up in here, your fuel pump. Mine was very dirty and corroded. So I took a rag and I'm trying to clean my mounting surface where my gasket's gonna be, so I don't have any leaks when I put this thing back together, and make sure it's good and cleaned out. All that stuff's out of there. So hopefully we get a good seal and this thing works properly when we put it back together. And pretty sure that's good. Pay attention to which way it was on there, because it needs to go the right way. One side's flat, one side's rounded. Okay, just like so. And we'll see if it's gonna work. Got my fuel pump all put back together. The hauler hoses are just a little short.
Yeah, you gotta get right up on it.
Yep. Let's see. Success. There it goes. It's working.
Fixed it. You fixed it, dear.
I'm excited that that's all it was. Didn't cost us much. And I'm refueling my Rhino right now. I'm excited about it. says our generator tank is full and our pump tank is
Full
3/4.
ish.
Alright, y'all. So this is how we fix our Grand Design Momentum 380TH, TH for toy hauler. So if we could get this fixed, you can probably do the same, because we did look this up and we found something how to fix this on a video who wasn't a Grand Design. So it seems like this is probably going to be the same process with any toy hauler, but only you'll know when you get under there and look. So anyway, I hope that helps. Maybe you can get yours fixed now.